Sino nagsabing hindi natin kaya maging nanay, buntis at CEO all at once? Pero sa journey na to, yung mga small wins talaga counts. Iba tayo mga babae. Talagang grabe tayo mag-multitask. May negosyo, mayroon akong 7 years old na son and also I am pregnant. Pero laban. Sino nagsabing hindi natin kaya maging nanay, buntis at CEO all at once? Ngayong buntis ako, mas na-realize ko na leadership doesn't pause pregnancy and motherhood doesn't cancel ambition. But of course, hindi madaling pagsabay-sabayin. May days na pagod ka, especially nung first trimester na nag-i-spotting ako. Pero pumapasok pa rin ako everyday, bago-bagong mood, sabog na schedule. Pero sa journey na to, yung mga small wins talaga counts. Yung minsang magising lang ako ng maaga, I think yun na yun eh. We are not weak for struggling. We are strong for showing up. Mas na-realize ko that we, women, proving that can thrive in business and motherhood. Iba tayo mga babae. Talagang grabe tayo mag-multitask.